tried to measure our waist, head, and maybe even our height at some point in our lives using the measuring tape. But do you know, before all these instruments ever existed, humans used to measure the lengths using hands and legs? Let's learn about how we used to measure length using these techniques. Since the dawn of civilization, humans have been creative enough to find some very different and unconventional methods to measure length. In this video, we will discuss some of those old methods and understand why we can't use them now. The first method is measuring length using a handspan. A handspan refers to the distance from the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger of your outstretched hand. 1, 2, 3, roughly 3.5. It measures 3.5 handspans. To be sure, why not ask my other friend too to measure it? 1, 2, 3, 4. It measures 4 handspans. Uh-oh, the answers are different. Shall we now use a string to measure the length of the table? 1, 2 string lengths. And what if the string used is of a different length? Then it comes to 1, 2, 3 string lengths. So confusing. We measured the length of the table 4 times, and each time the answer was different. Another method involves the use of one's foot. Measurement using one's foot is known as foot span. The length of this classroom is 32 foot spans. But when another person measures it, it is 37 foot spans. In all the above cases, you must have observed that the measurements don't match. They vary from person to person. It was this anomaly that finally gave rise to the need for finding standard units of measurement that were fixed and didn't vary from person to person. We will learn about the standard units of measurement in our coming videos. To summarize, we have studied about some of the older methods of measurement, such as measurement using one's hand, known as handspan; measurement using one's foot, known as footspan; and measurement using string. We learned that using a hand or a foot to measure the length of any object was not the best technique to measure length. Hence, we had to find alternative techniques. But one mystery that still creates confusion is that we still measure our height in terms of feet, and these feet must be related to the human feet. To find the answer to this mystery, stay tuned.